Touchstone electric fireplaces can be customized with various media options. For example, to apply crystals instead of the Firelog in the Sideline Elite fireplace, unscrew the 2 screws located on both ends of the unit. Gently open the glass panel towards yourself, lift it up, and gently put it down on a soft surface. Next, simply remove the Firelog and replace it with crystals by spreading them evenly on pre-installed crystal strip. You can then reinsert the glass panel and secure it again with screws.